Unmute yourself. Hi, I cannot hear you. Okay. Meanwhile, you can give me your introduction. Tell me your name.
My name is Avya and my name is Avya. I'm 9 years old. I am 7 years old.
Oh, you guys are sisters? You girls are sisters?
Yes, yes, sister.
Yes, and what classes do you study?
What classes you are in?
I am in 3D and I am in 4D.
Oh my God. Big girls. Good. Okay. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Amya, yes? Your name is Amya? Who's you're Amya? And you're Avya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, where are you girls from?
Where do you live?
Now you can hear me? Ah, now I can't hear you. What did you do? Okay. Now tell me a little bit about I want to know a little bit about your musical knowledge or musical training. Have you had any musical training before? Did somebody teach you any musical instrument before?
We learned 2 or 3 songs from YouTube, and we learn in school Western and Indian music. Western
And
instrumental
Indian music.
and so we know a little about it.
You know a little bit. Okay.
Sir, our mother, she plays in instrument.
Which instrument?
She used to play instrument.
Which instrument?
Harmonium.
Harmonium she plays?
Yes.
She also sings with it?
Yes, sir.
Do you guys sing?
Yes, so we
Okay, I would love to hear something. Little bit, something. From Amya or Avya, any one of you.
ओके केसरिया तेरा इश्क है प्यार रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं दिल बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में रंग जाऊं.
Okay, that's enough. Why don't you try something? Okay. Now, whenever you want to learn to play a piano, you know what we want to do is the first thing we tell our students is we want the students to be familiar with the instrument. Okay? ठीक है ना? पहली चीज हम बोलते हैं कि यार be familiar with the instrument. Now, how do you be familiar? How do you become familiar with the instrument? The first thing is that you know the names of all the keys on the piano. Okay? That's the first thing. Say, for example, you go to your school and you make a friend. Huh? How do you make somebody a friend? How do you make somebody a friend? You ask them your name. Yeah. The first thing you do is you ask them your name. What's your name? And then you say, Acha, what do you like? What do you don't like? Do you like ice creams? Do you like chocolates and things like that? Once you do that, and then you get to next stage, and eventually it becomes your friend. Similarly, you want to make piano your friend. Okay? And how do you start? You start by knowing the names of all the keys. Okay. Now tell me, do you know the name of all the keys on the piano?
Yes, sir.
You do?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Tell me.
C, D, E, F, G, A, B.
C. Very good. Good. Acha, the important thing is you should know which key is C. Do you know which one C? Can you play C?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am playing C4 and she is playing C5.
Okay, play it again. Okay, I got it. That's correct. That's correct. Very good. Acha, the second thing you want to know when you want to play the piano or you want to learn to play the piano is, in piano what we've done is we've numbered our fingers. ठीक है? ठीक है? अभी के लिए the angle is okay, but जब हम subsequently classes करें, then I would want you to adjust your piano in such a way or camera in such a way so that I'm able to see the keys as well as you. ठीक है? वो बात की बात है. अभी हम ये समझते हैं कि जो second thing I told you is you should know what the finger numbers are. ठीक है? In piano what we've done is we've numbered our fingers. Okay. Now, do you know the finger numbering already? Oh, you know that as well?
Yes.
Tell me.
So, sir, in right hand, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. And in left hand, this is 1, this is 2, this is
No, no,
3,
no.
this is...
Left hand also thumb is 1. Thumb is always 1. It's like this. I ask you to give me a quick thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, both of you. Yes. So this is 1 in both hands. Okay.